Good morning everyone and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Padilla with student identification number 17230833 from class 175B05. I am a student from the Faculty Teknologi Informatika and Binasarana Informatika University. Today, in fulfillment of the English 2 Project 1, I will be presenting and discussing two fundamental topics that are at the core of every modern computing system. I will take you talk in exploration of the synergy between hardware and software and the operating system. Without further ado, let's begin our journey to understand how these three components work together to run our digital world. Let's start. 1. Software. Software is collection of instruction, data or program used to operate computer and execute specific tasks. Unlike hardware with a physical form, software has no physical form and cannot be touched but is exist in the form of digital data. Software function as the translator between the user or other application and the hardware. Generally, software is divided into main categories. 1. System software. This software is designed to manage or control the operation of the computer hardware and provide a platform for application software to run. Examples: device drives program that allows specific hardware like a printer or mouse to communicate with the system, and most importantly, the operating system. 2. Application software. This software is designed to help users perform one or more specific non-system task. Examples: word processing, Microsoft Word, web browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, graphic, Adobe Photoshop. Operating system. The operating system is the most fundamental system software. The operating system acts as the main bridge of interface that manages the computer hardware and software resource. Key function of the operating system: resource management, manage all hardware components such as the central processing unit, memory, and storage. Process management, organize and control running program. The operating system ensure every program gets a fair share of time they use the CPU. Memory management allocates memory space to various programs and user that this program do not interfere with its other memory. Use interface provides a way for user to interact with the computer at through and graphical user interface. File management organize data into files and direction on storage media. Popular OS examples for desktop or laptop computers: Windows, Mac OS, Linux. For mobile device, Android, iOS. Summary: software is digital instruction set that makes the computer useful. The operating system is a core software that manages the hardware and allow application software to function. And next, hardware. Hardware refers to all physical and electronic components of a computer system that can be touched and sent. Core function of hardware: simply put, hardware is divided based on its role in information processing. Input refers data from the outset. Processing from calculation and control operating process unit and RAM or random. Output present the processing result to the user. Storage store data permanent or temporarily. In short, hardware is the computer's body. It is the machine that enable software the run to make the computer function. Hardware. Hardware refers to all physical and electronic components of a computer system that can be touched and seen. Hardware is the physical foundation upon which all software runs. Primary function of hardware. The main function of hardware is execute the instruction provided by the software. Without hardware, software is merely an idea. Without software, hardware is just a collection of inert metal and plastic. Classification of hardware components. Hardware components are typical group according to their role in data processing following the input process output storage cycle. 1. Input device. This device function to receive data and instruction from the user or the external environment and translate them into a form that can be processed by computer. Examples: keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. 2. Processing device. These are the core components responsible for performing calculation, logical operation, and controlling an overall operation of the system. Main examples: CPU, Central Processing Unit, often called the brain of the computer. This is where all program instructions are executed. Motherboard, the main circuit board that connect all other hardware components: CPU, RAM, storage, and expansion cards. RAM, random access memory. Sort their memory where active data and program are temporarily stored for quick access by the CPU. 3. Output device. This device function to present the result of data processing to the user in a comprehensible format. Example: monitor, printer, and speakers. 4. Storage device. This device function to store data and program permanently or semi-permanently so they can be accessed again in the future. Primary store. Flash memory whose data is lost when power is turned. Secondary storage memory whose data remains stored even when off. Example: HDD hard disk drive, SSD solid state drive, and flash device. In conclusion, we have navigated the core components of computing. We discussed hardware as the tangible physical foundation, and the crucial roles of software and the operating system as the intelligent instruction-based managers that bring the hardware to life. The most important takeaway is the concept of synergy. The CPU only pro process what the OS instructs, and the OS only function because of the physical components of the hardware. This perfect harmony between the physical and the digital is what allows us to perform all the complex tasks we rely on every day. Understanding this inter interdependent relationship is not just theoretical. Now it's a practical skill for anyone and gaining with technology. Now you know the vital role each component play is a main function system.